Hello and welcome to Buildsoft Academy. In this video, we will be taking a look at the various parameters you can set in the Cubit Estimating settings window. Let's get started. You can find the Cubit settings both on the Job Manager by coming up to the top left, clicking on Cubit and then Settings, and also if you're inside a job by coming up to the same location and clicking Job and then Settings. The Cubit settings window controls various parameters within the software and is laid out with easy-to-navigate tabs on the left-hand side. The General tab offers options to set up the software in future jobs, including how to default angle measurements and how to operate your licensing, which we covered in a previous video. The Interface tab controls a number of options for opening the software and opening a job. For instance, would you like to restore the screen layout to the last view? Perhaps you don't want your projects to expand when the software starts, or even all of your trades and headings to expand when you open up a job. Within the Report tab, you can upload your company logo or letterhead to appear at the top of all of your reports and change the default font styles for them. In the Job tab, you can set the default rounding options for all new jobs. You can set the default dimensions that shapes will take in the Takeoff tab. You can also change the opening span. The opening span defines the width between two or more shapes that an inserted door or window will interact with. For example, if you have measured off the internal line of a bathroom to measure your tiles and the external line of a plan to measure your framing, the distance between those two lines will need to be within this parameter for a window or door to interact with both of those shapes. Finally, you can use the Job tab to set up the default adjustment and sales tax details. Within the Plans tab, you can define the maximum number of open plans in Cubit, change the resolution, default import mode of your plans, and flatten the PDFs. The Viewport tab contains all of the color presets for your plans, takeoff, and revisions. You can also choose whether to enable your snapping tool, change the size of the snapping tool on your cursor, and change the default for the custom orthogonal angle. On the Integration tab, you can connect your Cubit Select account and your Xero account. Finally, you can have a price list automatically assigned to a new job within the Price List tab. Every new job will have an external reference to the price list listed here. This video was a quick guide through the Cubit settings window. Thanks for watching and for choosing Cubit Estimating.